Hi guys, this is One Game. Welcome to my first vlog. So ngayong araw ang gagawin natin ay mag-squat challenge dahil common na yung mga push-up challenge na nakikita natin sa mga social media. So tingnan natin kung makakalakad pa tayo kinabukasan, hindi natin alam. Pero yun, ang malaga ay sana magawa natin at makayanan natin. So let's go! Ang una natin gagawin ay simpleng squat lang. Grabe, unang squat pa lang.
Yo, we're back in the gym. Hypertrophy dreams, let's begin. Push the limits, break the mold. In this game we go for gold. Early rise, pre-dawn light. Gym's my battleground, ready to fight. Weights lined up, bars in place. Every day it's a brand new race. Bench press, feeling strong. Every rep, can't go wrong. Leg day pain, squat so deep. Push through the struggle, never sleep. Lifts heavy, pull with might. Back on fire.
Yun guys, sa pangatlong exercise natin, kumuha lang tayo ng gamesa. Ang pangapat natin guys ay yung jumping jacks with squat. So yun guys, tapos na tayo sa unang araw natin. Unang araw pa lang, masakit na talaga. So, di natin alam kung makakalakad pa tayo. Lalo siguro bukas, kung kakayanin pa natin ituloy. Pero kakayanin natin yan. Let's go. So, salamat sa panonood guys. Hanggang sa muli.